This is Chashin Road, and my name is James Ma. We are the largest lithium battery media in China, with a professional research institute. Today I have good news for everyone. We should have received the mass-produced battery cells 46,950 for BMW Gen6 battery pack, even if there are differences in the battery between the BMW iX3, which will be unveiled at the Munich Auto Show in early September. I believe it won't be too big. It is currently known that it charges for 10 minutes and has a range of 350 kilometers. The maximum range can reach 800 kilometers, according to the latest information on battery pack capacity obtained by Chashin Road, which is 113.4 kWh. The X3's power consumption per 100 kilometers is 14.14 kilometers watt-hour. Multiple data shows that Tesla's Model Y consumes around 15-17 kWh of electricity per 100 kilometers. The new battery is produced by EVE, and unlike our previous teardown, the solder joints on the cathode pole of the new battery are larger than old one, and it seems that the back cover also has injection sealing nails, similar to Tesla's back cover. We plan to conduct a teardown live program on the YouTube channel at 9 p.m. Eastern Time on 29th August. Please follow our channel to watch.